It's Lenka Lutonska here, and as you might be aware, recently a big publication in my home country, Slovakia, wrote a very critical article about myself and generally women coaches and those facilitating personal development or people interested in personal development. And one of the main pieces of criticism was that it's wrong to earn big money by helping others. Apparently, if you're making good money by helping others, is no longer about purpose-driven activity, it's simply business. And I say BS to this. And I also say it's time to stop making this belief and this way of thinking so active, because this offers perspective written in this article simply perfectly mirrors one still very active yet very old paradigm and limiting belief on a universal level, and that is, if I help, I'm not supposed to charge, or I'm not supposed to earn good living, because otherwise I will be less worthy, less righteous, less of a human being with integrity and purpose. And this is BS. This is limiting belief which our minds bought into, generationally bought into. And it's time to shatter it. It's time to break through it. And it's up to us, modern day women leaders. And we'll do it. We don't need to fight those people that criticize us or that frown because we are there to make successful businesses by supporting and helping others. We don't need to do any of that. What is our duty though is simply live and learn to live and do it more and more when we stand in our own value, when we charge what we're meant to charge, when we practice our voices fully, our authentic voices, and we let ourselves shine, because it's the only way. When we claim what is rightfully ours, it's the only way when we can be full and fulfill our desires, be it personal desires, emotional desires, physical desires, financial desires. And in only that way, we most profoundly influence those that we love, our children, our loved ones. And of course, it's the only way how can be of a full service to others. The other side of it is, and that's happening so much because many women are still asking ourselves, but do I need to choose between purpose and success? Should I charge less because I'm only helping people? Gosh, it's the most powerful thing to help people, to help others to transform their lives. And if you buy into it, if you've been buying into it, then what's waiting for you? Resentment, tiredness. You will give up your purpose at some point because you will feel so bad that you're not being rewarded for your best work, and you're meant to be rewarded for your best work. So make this your priority and say this with me today. I serve, therefore I deserve. Full stop.